Hi, it's Kaze. I'm gonna be stamping my nails with regular polish in this video. This polish is highly pigmented. You could finish art with one coat, but for nail stamping it's not highly pigmented enough, so I'll do something about it. Let's get started. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular nail polish. I'm gonna be applying OPI Nail Envy as a base coat. I did some experiment in this video. I needed to cut my nails really short. I think short nails with Scandinavian vibe are so cute. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. This is a PA polish, S025. This soft milky color is Scandinavian to me. I'm gonna apply it to my thumb and ring finger. It gets pretty patchy, but with 2 coats and 1 stamping, it should be okay. This is a new color, E027. I showed this polish at the beginning of this video, F427. I finished the first coat. The ring finger looks extremely streaky. Well, my natural nail is not exactly smooth and it's streaky. Well, I believe the majority of people at a certain age get these streaky nails. After 2 coats, I think the streak is less visible. I'm not gonna do the 3rd coat. I'm gonna stamp with this polish now. So what I'm going to show you is kind of a bad example. I'm just doing a regular nail stamping. Scrape it with an old prepaid card and pick it up. Actually, it's a really nice print, but the color doesn't really come out. Let me stamp it on a nail tip. Wow, it's so pretty. It is pretty, but if you compare the color with that of my middle finger, it's not blue enough or dark enough. I made the color on the thumbnail darker. They both look really nice, but I really wanted a color unity. I wanted the closest color to this color. This color is very nice and the print is really cute. But this blue is similar to this blue, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is to mix this polish and a little bit of black polish. This black polish is from a 100 yen store. It's not super opaque. How much black polish do I add? I don't know, maybe this much. I'm mixing it with a silicone pen from Seria, a 100 yen store. I'm spreading it too. I bought this plate at Walmart in Hawaii. I don't think this design is meant to be Scandinavian. The color doesn't come out really well on the stamper, but actually if you stamp it, it's really opaque, nice. A plate from Seria. Obviously, they are not Scandinavian designs. I'm gonna be stamping on my little finger. Polish from 100 yen store. This line might be discontinued now though. Getting rid of designs I don't need with a dotting pen. Born Pretty's No Smudge Top Coat Oil. I say this all the time, but it works really well. This is my go-to non-smudge top coat. Paint in the pinky. This is a plate from CanDo, another 100 yen store. This is a Scandinavian design. Again, I'm gonna mix a little bit of black polish here. This is real-time speed and I didn't edit anything in this stamping part so that you can see how slow or how fast I work. Now I'm stamping it on the ring finger. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I'm gonna stamp on the index finger now. So this plate is a Japanese festival themed. It looks far from a Scandinavian design, but actually there are some designs I can use for different taste of designs. I'm gonna stamp one more time. No smudge top coat oil. You don't have to wait for the stamped print to be dry. It's already dry anyway. I'm gonna be using PA matte top coat today. I noticed something blue here. Oh yeah, I stamped there too, didn't I? I'll clean them with washi tape or nail polish remover later. All done. The matte coat didn't come out really matte. Matte coat in general, either polish or gel nail, it gets polished day by day, but this one is stayed like this for 1 week. To be honest, I quite like this surface, not too glossy, not too matte. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.